To inspect and replace the drive belt on your Razor Trail S1000, follow these steps. Drive belt maintenance should only be performed after the vehicle has completely cooled. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and ensure it is in park. Before removing the belt, pull out on the access panel between the seats and remove. Then, clean any dirt or debris from the clutch debris basket and engine compartment. Then, align the retention tabs on the access panel and press firmly on the bottom to secure. Next, move to the left rear wheel well and loosen and remove the hose from the clutch cover. Position the hose out of the way. Then, remove the clutch cover fasteners. Continue by pulling the cover out and working around the driven clutch and frame rail. Then, maneuver over the A-arm and pivot the cover down to remove from the wheel well. Inspect the cover seal for wear or damage and replace if necessary. Before continuing, take note of the drive belt direction of rotation. The belt must be reinstalled in the same direction if reusing. Next, insert the clutch spreader tool provided with your toolkit into the driven clutch sheave, and press in to spread the sheaves. Continue by working the belt off the driven clutch, while continuing to spread the sheaves as needed. Inspect the belt for any fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns, or damage, and replace if needed. Next, clean out the inside of the clutch covers thoroughly. If replacing the belt, ensure the part number on the belt is facing outward when installed. Loop the belt over the drive clutch and begin working it over the driven clutch sheave, while spreading the sheave as needed with the spreader tool. Next, rotate the clutch 5 to 7 times to help seat the belt on the sheaves. Then, reinstall the clutch cover by maneuvering around the frame and over the drive clutch. Then, pivot over the A-arm and align the mounting holes while ensuring the cover seal hasn't shifted out of its groove. Once in place, reinstall the cover fasteners and torque to specification. Finally, reinstall the hose to the clutch cover and torque the clamp to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.